Imam Hussein Holy Shrine has announced finishing the preparations for replacing the red banner of Imam Hussein Shrine with a black banner, indicating the month of Muharram. For Muslims, Muharram is the month of sorrow for Imam Hussein, his family and his companions, peace be upon them, who were martyred during this month and 6 to 1 after Hijrah. Imam Hussein Shrine witnesses certain rituals performed annually to replace the banner. A great number of Muslims from different Iraqi cities and countries attend this remarkable event.